Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some lemon cupcake cards. This stamp set is from heroarts and it's a fun layering stamp system, and I really love to layer images. I love to use different colored inks, and I really like the colors that I use today for these lemon stamps or lemon cupcakes. So this is 110-pound cardstock. It's called White Dove from Recollections, and it's perfect for stamping using dye inks. So this first layer is the frosting, and I use Tiara, which is a light yellow, and I will have all the inks listed in the description and everything that I used. So I double stamped this image to get a darker image. With layering stamps, sometimes it looks good with one stamping, sometimes you need to restamp it. So I recommend a Misty stamping platform or something like that, because you never know if you need to restamp it. And then for the second ink, I'm using Sauna, which is a darker yellow, and I'm using 2 sets of ink cubes that I have, and then I use some large inks there, and I have my wipes to wipe down the inks. And next is the cake layer. I'm using, for the first image, I am using buttercream ink. This is another really pretty ink, buttercream, and the next will be whipped honey. Those are actual new inks I had in my drawer, so thankfully I am using them today. I have no idea when I got them. I don't know if that happens to you. It's exciting to find new products in your craft room. So here is the second cake image, again with whipped honey, and I'm just trying to get them as close together as I can. The first time I used these images, I had to fussy cut them out. Well, I fussy cut them out because I stamped them far away from each other. I didn't really look at the directions, and so that is another way you can do it too. You don't have to use the die, or you can just fussy cut it with all the layers. So for the cupcake wrapper, I am using Aquatini. These are some pretty aqua colors. This Aquatini is a lighter aqua, and the darker wrapper color is going to be called Daydream. And I just love yellow and aqua together. I think I'm going to do a floral card with these colors. Okay, so I'm just going to use the die, I believe, after. One more. I decide to do one more stamping. So this stamp set also has sentiments and sprinkles and a cherry, and so it's perfect for birthdays. The first time I did use this, I did pink cupcakes, I believe. This is a older stamp set, so it's been a while since I used it. Okay, so there it is, and I'm just going to die cut it out. And here are the ones I did fussy cut, which is always an option as well. And here is the cake, all with a white border. So I'm going to use a stencil set from acolorfullifedesigns and the Layering Lemons, and it's so pretty. I use the same ink colors, and I'm going to use a mini slimline die here. And then I will use a sentiment from Simon Says Stamp, and I ink blended it with the aqua colors, and I will use some lemon embellishments, and that will be it for this card. I hope you like them. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I hope I inspired you to make some cupcake cards. Thank you and have a wonderful day.